Commonwealth Games on Australia's Gold Coast got underway on Tuesday night Jamaica time with the opening ceremony and team parade. Olympian Alia Atkinson was Jamaica's flag bearer.
The 21st Commonwealth Games are officially underway after a spectacular opening ceremony. A crowd of 35,000 packed into the Carrara Stadium to see the teams as they marched in. Leading the Jamaican team was swimmer and reigning National Sportswoman of the Year, Alia Atkinson, the flag bearer.
It's a pretty fantastic feeling because I'm a veteran in the sport. I'm a veteran for Jamaica athletics. And I'm kind of coming out of the sporting world. So it's really cool to not only be noticed but to be honoured. And it's a privilege to come out here having a swimmer be up here and carry the flag for Jamaica.
More than 4,500 athletes from 71 nations and territories will be competing for 275 gold medals over the 11 days of competition. Atkinson will be vying for 3 medals as she will contest the 50-meter breaststroke, 100-meter breast and 100-meter butterfly. She is prepared for the challenges in the pool.
I'm pretty prepared. I'm pretty excited to see what's going to be happening. But every race going to be the best, I think, and it's going to get a little bit faster.
Meanwhile, Sunshine Girl Janelle Fowler-Reid has been named female team captain, a first for netball.
I'm very elated to be bestowed this excellent accolade. It's just a very good feeling to be here and just to be with all these wonderful athletes.
Fowler-Reid and the Sunshine Girls are hoping to replicate their form in the recent quad series and end the games on the podium.
We're feeling very positive, very confident going in because we had a very wonderful series over in New Zealand and that gave us heaps of confidence. You know, we're not overly confident, but we know that we can finish on the podium.
Badminton will be the first sport to see action on Thursday with play in the preliminary round. Jamaica will be represented by Dennis Cook, Samuel Ricketts, Alana Bailey, Catherine Winter and Anthony McNee. Trishana McGowan, TVJ Sports.